Esteemed viewers of Edo CBC, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you for your time until they watch this video. My name is Nagbewe Jimmy. This afternoon, we come one side, come inspect the work when one of our esteemed viewers gave one of the plumber men win day for Edo CBC. We deal with this Oga for site. Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Oga.
Oga, how work?
We thank God.
Okay, for our viewers when they watch you for the first time, make you introduce yourself to them.
My name is Mr. Benjamin, a plumber and I be. Plumber when they do piping for house, that is the first stage. We will do pipe to soccer with the second stage. We will still do the finishing with the hang tank, with the fish jacuzzi, washing machine, smoke extractor, water heater. Basically anything about plumbing work that they do.
Okay. So for our viewers who don't give you job through the CBC, make use and take appreciate them, especially the one who give you this job, sir.
Okay, so my use of thank all of them when they give me work ever since. Say now God will continue to bless all of you now. And also the one way give me this correct work, so now God will continue to bless you. And God will still give you money to take finish the rest project, and you see cause we'll come finish the work. We will say very big thank you to all of you.
Amen. All right. To all esteemed viewers, before I give enough our partners work, make sure they call us. Our phone number they display for the top of this video. Okay, okay, maybe start. Say now which of the work now?
Okay, so we do the now the first stage of piping. That be this one. So okay. The first stage, and this one that be PPR.
PPR material.
So now the client require.
Now you require.
Yes.
Okay, how many toilet and bedroom there?
Okay, now 5 toilets.
Okay.
5 toilets. And then this house plus 4 kitchen.
Okay.
This house.
We'll start from this side when we did now.
No problem.
This is one of the toilets.
Yes, this is the last apartment and one of the toilets.
Okay.
Because if you look at say this place now, so the engineer say one call set block for here. So yesterday he say one set block for here. So he said this will have the washing machine.
Okay.
Washing machine drain. Washing machine supply, that be this one.
All right.
Why if you come now, so because from here go, now be inside the bedroom.
Okay.
So this one, that be the washing basin. And the drain be this one. And the supply for the washing basin, that be this one.
All right.
While this one, the tap for the bedroom, that be this one.
Okay.
While that this place, now the missile, they stay, the missile leg, call it missile leg, that be this one. So while this one, so
yes.
now here the water heater, the one that is water heater tank.
Okay.
This one, so that be the cold supply. This one that be the hot supply will come out from this place later. Well, if you look at say this pipe come out, this one that be proposed drain. But this one will not put the drain now because say now if you look at say they never flood this compound, they about do this jama floor for this place. Okay. So we have to bring pipe come out. If we do the second stage, we'll cut off, we'll put one drain for this place. That be done. So this one that be the WC waste.
Okay.
This one that be the bumper wash supply. Okay. The bumper wash 1 day later. While this one so that be the supply to supply this WC.
All right.
That for this one so. Why this place now the kitchen? If you look at say everywhere is scattered, so renovation now we code for this place now. So
okay.
So from this place go now the engineer say now here be the kitchen because I hear now be the toilet before, so he change the plan. So this one now so now be the kitchen waste to go out. Now be this place. Why this one now be the source of supply for this place? So now say be for this place.
All right. Okay. Another apartment will they go so?
Yes, another apartment so will go so.
Alright.
This one are the third apartment. This one so now the kitchen. This one are the drain.
Okay.
Why this one are the supply to the washing basin for this place. Okay. Why here? Now be the washing machine supply.
Okay.
Why this one now be the drain for the washing machine.
Yes.
That's it for this place. Now I can go the toilet.
The toilet. Okay. Let's say now a room self-contained.
Yes. This also now a room self-contained. Okay. So this one I see another one complete bedroom. Okay. This one now the washing basin. Now the washing basin one stay. Now the washing basin drain with this one. Okay. This one is supply to the washing basin. Okay. This one now the tap for the bedroom. Why this one so now be the missile head, now the shower. You go put your the shower 1 day. Okay. Because if you see so small thing, this one so now we take they close the mat. Okay. Because you have to prevent dirty.
Okay, no go blocker.
Yes. Why this down so? Okay, that be the drain.
Okay.
Because if you go to the ground, now you the part they come out. Okay. We say the seal they will put seal for inside.
Okay, I can't put this one.
We put seal everything to the inside here.
Because what if they can't jam a floor?
No, this also they not jam a floor to ground already.
Okay.
I know that back and about to jam a floor.
Okay.
So I'm going to put up for this place here. So.
All right.
Why this one so? Now here the water tank 1 day. That the hot supply be this one, while the cold supply that be this one so. Okay. Why this one so? That be the WC supply. This one are the WC drain out. Okay. This one are the bumper wash. Okay. And the bumper wash one stay later.
Okay, for this side.
That's it for this apartment.
Okay. So they go the next apartment.
Yes, that's the third apartment.
Right. Right, as I talk, we can't expect the work when one of our Sylvia give Mr. Benjamin, one of the plumber, when they for CBC. So we don't enter the third apartment now.
No, the second.
The second, okay, second apartment.
Second.
Okay, now kitchen be this side.
Yeah, the kitchen. So this one, now the kitchen sink one day. And the kitchen sink was to be this one. And the supply be this one to the kitchen. That be this one. While this one now the washing machine drain, that be this one.
Okay.
While this one now the supply to the washing machine be this one. This one now the washing basin one stay. That be the washing basin drain. This one the supply to the washing basin. While this one now the tap when we did this kitchen be this one. Now here be the missile leg. Now the one tell the missile and the shower we want go up. This one, so now here the water heater tank one day. Now the heater supply, this one the cold supply, this one the hot supply. While this one we did down, now the drain.
Okay, the drain.
There you go so. While this one so, now the supply to this kitchen. This one will not put bomb over also because this one so now the concrete when they hold this place, this one. So you know if you pass this place. So now from here now you get what they call double cross valve. Now what they form both the supply to the WC and the bomber wash.
Okay.
That is this one.
All right.
Look, I go the first apartment.
Okay. The one with when this starts. Okay.
This one this one are two toilets. They are this place, two toilets.
Okay.
This are the front apartment, two toilets. These are the master toilet.
Okay.
This one so.
All right.
So this one so that be the washing basin. That washing basin is the washing basin drain that be this one. And the supply be this one.
All right.
This one are the floor drip or drain that be this one so.
All right.
This one are the tap to this place here. So this one are here the mixer level one day. Now the mixer this will do this place.
Okay.
This one now here the water tank one day so. Now the water tank the pipe that be the supply be this one so. The cold supply, the hot supply.
Okay.
That be this one. This one are the WC supply be this one. While this one are the bomber wash supply. Now the bomber wash one day.
Okay.
While this one now be the drain out or WC.
Okay.
This one are on that toilet again. This
Alright.
first apartment. This one are the washing basin. That the supply to washing basin that be this one.
Okay.
This one are the tap. This one are the mixer leg. That be this one so. This one they up so. Now this one now the supply. Now the supply the coal. Whilst I remember the supply to the heater.
Okay.
We will cook more for this place later. Now the water tank one day. And this one they down. Now the drain. This one are the WC drain out. This one are the WC supply. This one are the bomber wash supply.
Okay.
Now can you go to the kitchen? So this one, because you say now you want to put a washing machine for the kitchen. Okay. These are the washing machine drain out. These are the supply for the washing machine.
Alright.
While this one, because they say you see require water tap for this place, but you not need the smoke extractor. Okay. So now here the water tap one day, the tank one day. This one are the the hot supply. This one are the cold supply. This one so now the hot supply. This one are the cold supply. This one are the drain out.
Okay.
For this place. So now say before everything about the inside.
Okay. So
So
now for us to go outside now.
Yes.
All right. All right. We don't come outside now. That one shows the work when they do for the outside.
So this one are the washing basin drain that be this one. So
Alright.
this one so now tip this one. Then they put plug for this one.
Okay.
Why would you also because say if anything block if you remove and choose what they put, it will come out from this mat here. So
Okay.
now this one so now they carry the pipe to suck away. Although this one will last.
Okay.
This one so is supply to this place. If you look at say we cover the mat.
Yes.
Why I cover because say in case if they're the plaster, make it not rough this place. So
Okay.
after everything come out, I go still knit back.
Okay.
And because this are the supply to the house for this one. That be this one. Why this one? So that be the drain, the washing basin will that be this one.
Okay.
So
Let it come out from there first. All right.
this one are the WC.
Okay.
And the waste be this one.
Okay, for this toilet,
That be
for this
yes,
side.
that be this one. So why this one are the washing basin waste and the drain waste? That be this one. So
Okay.
why this one? So that be the WC waste. This one so that be the supply waste. The supply to this apartment.
Okay.
That be this one so. Why this one like the kitchen waste? That be this one so.
All right.
That it not TV because this thing so it is very important. case anything happen, you can get us because it's also all the block easily. So I'm gonna put this. In case anything happen, you remove it. If you throw it, you pass it, come and enter the big pipe when they go suck away.
Okay.
This also like the supply to this kitchen with this one. And the lock which now will cover with all this line also.
All right.
This one are the washing machine waste for this first apartment.
Okay.
That'll be this one so. This one are the supply to the washing machine. That'll be this one so.
Okay.
This one so. Now the kitchen waste. That'll be this one so.
Okay.
And the kitchen supply will be this one so. Why will not put anything like lock all this for it? Because this place is deep go down. They'll see fill and but they don't fill and we can't know the level when what they before we finish the work. But last everything they say work. Because like our full conduit that they do. They don't see anything pipes for outside.
Okay.
You know they do.
Okay.
Now especially for this place. So these are the supply and the waste for this kitchen and the washing machine.
Okay.
Which has so that business. So after everything we'll cut them off from this place. So everything will cut that wall. I just only the cap of the mat they will see.
Oh, okay.
See for this place here.
Okay.
This one now the drain and the washing basin waste be this one so and the will come out this one so this one are the WC waste and be this one so.
Okay.
While this one so now the supply when they supply this place. Okay. So see them stay close everything for you so.
Okay. What are this one can they up?
This one. No, this one. No, this one so the old this are just renovation. We'll do some of the old pipe when the person did before.
Okay.
So do that someone could dissolve to come we'll put our pipe.
Okay.
I mean I'm because so.
Okay.
This one so now this kitchen waste be this one so and the supply be this one so.
Okay.
Maybe so. I can show the last one for the back.
Okay.
This one now the supply for this last apartment.
Okay.
I'm so. While this one so now the waste for the WC. While this one are the waste for the washing basin and the drain.
Okay.
That'll be this one. So I say before the work.
Okay, don't finish now.
You don't finish for the work.
All right. And a very fine work I got do for here. And then I believe this I still be happy with this job when I don't do. I say everything don't complete, don't finish the job, sir.
Yes, don't finish the work, yes.
Like how long it take you to do the job?
Take us 2 days to finish this work.
2 days.
Yes, days.
Okay. So now contract you take do am?
Yes, now contract.
Okay, so now you buy all the materials.
So me buy the material. So
how much come before the contract?
okay, plus the material, the labor and the transportation, everything now 600,000.
600,000 naira.
Yes.
All right. So if any of you say they still get similar numbers of a kitchen and toilet, you fit do for that amount?
You know, say everything na negotiation. So because I don't for this is also 600, let me say that's go still be all. So if me and the client talk, we go negotiate.
Okay.
So I say you so not because you do it for Mr. A like that, so you do it for Mr. B, not because they be.
That means
because the area they differ.
Okay.
Stuff. The expenses now we calculate.
Okay, okay. All right, make you have your phone number when they fit reach you.
So my phone number is 091 57420976. Both WhatsApp and call anytime I go answer one.
All right, okay. I think Mr. Ben don't take us. I don't show us the work what they do for you, the plumbing work, the piping work. So I don't say I'm a very neat job. So if you now make you do similar work for now, make una call them. As a talk, I say they do installation, then they do when they take the connect go suck away. So any of this job when they find a good hand, we can contact them. In phone number will display for the under of this video. Why Edo CBC phone number will display for the top of this video. So if I give a job, now we could do that to inspect the job for now, still call us. So we really take this time to appreciate all of you. I want to patronize Mr. Ben and all our partners for Edo CBC. We say may God bless you and may God provide for them and take a complete on our project to do well. Bye bye.